my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to be back. I went to Goodwill on Friday night, and after I got home, I ended up hanging out with some friends. I'm going out for the first time in months, since literally September. And then I was just so exhausted Saturday and Sunday that I didn't feel like starting my project until today, which is Monday. Without further ado, let's get to what we really want here, okay? The Goodwill haul. So first I got this shacket for $5. Literally $5. And it's a medium. Look how cute. Okay, here's the real stuff. We are going to be transforming into clothes that I can actually wear. So I found this sweater vest. It's all black and it's pretty big. It is a large, men's large, so it's pretty big. I drew some plans for each of my items. So I do plan on taking the waist and moving it up to make it kind of shorter, like a crop, but not really a crop. So that's my plans for the sweater vest. Oh, and I got it for $5 too. And then I got this little polo action. It's huge. And it has long sleeves. You take the sleeves off, or cut those sleeves off, and make it into a dress. So all we will be doing is chopping the sleeves, stitching them, and then I want to take it in on the sides to make it like more fitted, to make like a cute little golf tennis dress. Cute. And this is a extra large, and I got it for $5. And then we got this monster sweater. This huge brown sweater. The plan for this is to crop it and then to use the extra material that I get from cropping it to make a scrunchie that matches it. So cute. Hello, this is me editing, and I realized I didn't make a scrunchie out of that brown sweater, and I also did not film me making any of the scrunchies, but I made scrunchies for everything but the brown sweater. And yeah, it just took way too long to make the scrunchies. Like, it took longer to make the scrunchie than it did to make the entire sweaters. So we're just gonna pretend like I never said I wanted a scrunchie. Super fun, super excited. Millie's pumped, clearly. And this is a men's medium, and I also got it for $5. Let's get started. Okay, so I got my sewing machine up here, and I think we're gonna start with the black sweater vest. I couldn't find my fabric scissors, so we're gonna be using normal scissors, so please pray for me. I hope it works. I'm gonna put my hair up so I can actually see. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. I need to practice first. Yeah. We're doing zigzags. Okay. Cute. Oops. I feel good. Kind of. I just don't want to ruin it. I know it was only $5, but like, I'm scared. I got the dimensions down. I wrote them all down, and I marked where I want to cut. So I guess we're gonna start cutting. I'm nervous. I did it. I started. My mom said that you can't cut sweaters because they fray, so we will see, I guess. I did it. Oh god, it's so slanted. I'm gonna start pinning now. Yay! This is how it's gonna look. I'm so nervous and excited. Okay, I got it hooked up. I'm nervous. It's just like a little difficult because I'm trying to do like a cinched waist, so I have to scrunch it as I go. I'm scared. Okay, I kind of messed up a little bit, but it's not terrible. Wait, it looks so good. Okay, but for my first sewing project ever, it's not bad. Like, you can see where I kind of messed up on the back. Where like I started to sew, oops. I started to sew a little bit onto the shirt. Which like I'm sure I could fix, I just don't really want to. But it's not bad. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. This would be so cute with like little jeans for summer when it gets warmer, or I could wear it now with some jeans and like a long sleeve shirt underneath. I'm so happy. I really did that all by myself. Yay! Okay, brown sweater now. So let's do the dimensions. All right, let's start cutting. Oh my gosh, the fuzz. Oh my gosh, my hand hurts. This is so difficult. Cute. Okay, I'm so nervous. Wait, that's cute. I really did that. Oh my gosh. Some little jeans. Cute, oh my gosh. I'm seriously so proud of myself right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I'm all done with sewing for today. I'm gonna save the polo dress for tomorrow, but right now I really want to style either the sweater vest or the brown sweater for my mom to see when she comes home from work, so let's go style them. So I styled the black vest. I am so excited. This looks so cute. I tucked in my white long sleeve underneath into my jeans, and I just styled it with some distressed black jeans with rips in the knees, my black boots, and I just put a pink purse with it. This is my Kate Spade purse that I just wanted to throw some color in there. And then I also use my pink hair claw clip. I'm so excited. Let's go show my mom. So my mom is actually at the hair salon. She's getting her hair done. So I'm going to go surprise her and my hairdresser and see if they like my vest that I made. So let's go surprise them. It's me.
Hi.
Hello.
I was like, I don't have any more clients coming today, so. No, she messaged, she's like, can I come visit? And then she writes, wait, never mind. And then she writes, no, really, can I come visit? Like,
Do you notice anything different about me?
did you fix the sweater?
I did.
Take it off, I need to see it.
I did it all by myself. Okay, so I'm going to the mall today to do some returns, and I figured what better time to wear my new sweater. So this is how I styled it. I have on my New Balances. They're the tan ones. And then I just put on some leggings and my cheetah print purse. And then I got on my chain and my Leo necklace. And then I just grabbed some sunnies to go with it. But I'm so excited about this sweater. It's so cute. So it is 2 days later, not just one. But we're back and we're ready to sew. We're ready for this again. So I've got the polo that I'm gonna make into a dress. And I actually think I'm going to make it short sleeved because there's this seam right here. That would be great short sleeves. I tried it on and it's like the perfect length for short sleeves. So I think I'm just gonna keep it like that and maybe I'll roll them up. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. But there is not a seam along the side, but there is this fold. So I think I'm gonna cut along this and then make a seam. on the side to make it tighter. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We'll see. Let's start cutting. Ooh. This makes me feel like I am like participating in some kind of church thing. Got it pinned, and this is what it's gonna look like. So cute. I'm nervous as heck. So my little brother FaceTimed me during the dressmaking, and he said it looks like crap. So now I'm scared, but I'm gonna put it on and model it. Okay, so it's a little bit tighter than I wanted, but it does fit. And this would be so cute, like golfing. I could take out the stitching like right here and make it more flowy like I wanted, and then like take this in, but it does fit. But I think it's cute. I think it turned out really good. So I paired it with my white sweater dress that is like extremely see-through. I was really worried about it, but now if I just wear it with this little polo dress underneath, it works. I don't even have to like wear tights if I don't want to. Oh my gosh. I feel like I had a really good experience sewing all of my clothes. I don't think anything came out terrible. I messed up a couple times, but it wasn't anything terrible that I couldn't fix or that affected my clothes badly. I think I'd do it again. I'm not sure if I'd make another YouTube video about it just because it took me so long to film and edit and make all the videos because I filmed the entire thing. And honestly, I feel like it wasn't that exciting to watch. I'm not sure. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you enjoyed this or if you want me to do something else. I do like crafts and trying new hobbies, so that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to like see if I like this hobby, see if I can actually do it, because I do have a sewing machine. I got one for Christmas 2 years ago and I've never gotten to use it. So teaching myself how to sew is actually really fun for me. I'm just not sure if it's fun to watch. But I have a couple other craft ideas in my head that I feel like would be way more exciting to watch. So you guys are gonna have to let me know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love to hear your feedback, so let me know anything that you would like to see on my channel. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!